Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome. You probably know what's up. 4%, that was nice last time, so let's try to do a similar thing. Let's go. Yeah. That was fast. Well, I mean short. Eight. Oh well. I still have a minute or so. Oh, fucky mouse. Okay, a few seconds, so kill the timer and start working on the Java stuff. The Java stuff file input stream. Okay, and there, and this probably should have this guy in here. File input stream, yeah, and I started. Okay, so I remember there were like multiple ways how to initiate it, right? Maybe that was the previous example. Well, we will have a look. But yeah, it is. So I'll say what I will do. I will output it or something. Maybe. Yeah, I will output it. So file input stream in equals new file input stream, and I will copy this copy path, and I want the from the root. Here we go. And Control Shift I, quick diff. What's the problem? Add exception. Oh yeah. So this guy I will cut. It is null now. Then I say in, not int, in equals, and I will paste my thing. And now we, no, Alt Enter, exception, surround with try catch. File not found exception, and it will be IO exception. Okay, or no, I'll keep it. Let's see if that will be enough. And I say, what it takes, character, integer, I don't know what it takes. So we'll try. So I say in dot read, okay, and what is it? It returns integer. Okay, so I say int I, and here I say I equals this guy. What's the problem in here? Unhandled exception, input output. All right, so we do that. Oh, here we go. Replace. Can I say IO? Yeah, it can. No, that's wonderful. Eat, and we will put it into that and say while. And let's go into another one. Is not equal to -1. We will do some magic. Oh fuck. Stack. Set string parameter print value. So Huh. Interesting. That's cool. But I want just print. Come on. Work with me. Oh, it froze. I don't need some processes. Outlook, not needed right now. Teams, not needed right now. Slack, not needed right now. Alright, did it unfreeze? I don't see my cursor. Now I do. Okay. Just run it and see what it does. Oh, I'm tired. Oh, cool. It did print out some numbers, so I guess I have to convert it to character, I think. It's frozen. But now it disappeared. Okay, did it crash? No. Oh, it's back again. Okay, maybe I cannot play this. I'll close some more things. Okay, and we will try to R would be the right thing to do. And it's stuck. It froze. Alright. Well, that's not nice. I'll kill this. Disconnect from that. And close the Cisco AnyConnect nonsense. Then what else do we have open which I can close? Not much really. Update. Yeah, sure, why not? Oh, I think I know what happened. Well, I did not close the file input stream, so on. So in that close, I don't know what happens if I don't close it. But either way, I will run it again. Compilation finished. Hello world, another line. Yeah, that works. It works. So that was one way how to do that. And Save changes. Oh, just die. Okay, cool. And the other way how to do that was to create a file, and that would be, and I say file, or I can say new file, and I put in this thing, yeah. And now go to implementation extract file, yeah, like so. And I will import. What was the imports? Import. Import optimize Control Alt O. Control Alt O. Removed one import. Import class. We already did this, right? So go away. And then I can do it differently, and that would be, I can put in the file, and that should work too. Seems like it has. Okay, cool. Cool. What do I do next? I don't know. There's a, okay, I did not want to switch here. I wanted to switch to this IO files. Yeah. So there's a close. There's a file. Once you have input stream object in hand, there is a list of helper methods which can be used to read a stream or to do other operations to stream. So close closes the file input stream, releases any system resources associated with the file, throws an IO exception. This method cleans up the connection to the file, ensures that the close method of this file input stream is called when there are no more references to this stream. Throws an IO exception. Read. It takes an array of bytes. Are linked bytes from the input stream into an array. Returns the total number of bytes read. If it is the end of the file, -1 will be returned. Interesting. So maybe I want to debug it. So I will debug it in here, and how do I this and debug? I'm curious if this will somehow change. How can like read and you put in finished? Okay, did not trigger anything. That's okay. Now it's doing something. Okay, so we have a file. File is this. In is this guy. Path. FD is file descriptor. Okay. Let's look. Okay, cool. So, what is the step over? F8. F8. And now, I wonder what this does. So if I do Alt F8, just execute it, I get 101, which is one of the thing, I suppose. This is 104, so now I'm guessing, okay, so this Why is not printed out in here? Maybe here, the console. Okay. And I missed because I said int read one more time. Now I will be missing one of the characters, right? Yeah. I see how it works. Another line. Sure. Okay, so I'll mute the background, go. And now in the console, I will get another line. Disconnected from target VM, transport socket. Where this came from? Maybe that's always like when the debugger ends or something like that. Maybe. Okay, so we'll have this. There I go here. Available gives number of bytes that can be read from the. Okay, so this is interesting as well. So south, and we'll say in dot available. Just run it, and this should give me some numbers. It should go down, I think. Where's the hello? Where's the hello? Is it on the previous line? No, it's not. It says 12 and then goes to another line, which is weird. I'll try it once again. Close this. It has the same result. Where's the file? Input. It says hello world and another line. And I see another line, but I don't see that. Okay, so if I comment this and run it again, I will get both lines. I do. That's weird. So what if I switch those two around and run it? That is some really weird behavior. How about if I have multiple lines? Multiple lines. Okay. Save it. Go here and I run it again. Will all the lines will be skipped or just the first one or all except the last one or how it will go? It skips all except for the last one if I call it the available. That's weird. Pum pum pum. It works. Oh, cool. So now I will do. This is kind of like weird. The unavailable. What it does? What does it do? Return available. Available 0. What the fuck is that? Returns an estimate of number of remaining bytes that can be read or skipped over from this input stream without blocking by the next invocation of a method for this input stream. Returns 0 when the file position is beyond end of file. The next invocation might be the same thread or another thread. A single read or skip of this many bytes it will not block, but may read or skip fewer bytes. In some cases, an unblock is read or skip may appear to be blocked when it's merely slow. You know what it means. And it calls this, and that is native. It's just basically the same thing. And I don't know what it do. This is really interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, we can go to Xing, and there's a file output stream. So file output stream is used to create a file and write data into it. The stream would create a file if it doesn't already exist before opening it for output. Here are two constructors which can be used to create a file output stream object. Following constructor takes a file name as a string. Create an input string, and then there will be using the file. Okay, sure. And output stream. There's an example. So they have a be right, and this will be what? Something. Output stream. Interesting. There's a test for all of them. We write the byte. Write the bytes. All is close. Inside is available. What is it? Is where do you take is? Oh, is input stream. Okay, and they read it. Interesting. It's close. That's different way to read it. They don't ask if the red thing is something else. Just measures the size of the file and then just goes. All right. So we are over the time limit, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. I'll see you next time. Bye.